channel. It's me, Diam Jackson, and today is Mother's Day. I definitely want to wish all the moms a happy Mother's Day, and I also want to send my love out to the individuals who may have lost their mom and are grieving their mother's loss on today and any other day. I also want to send my love to the women out there who may be struggling with infertility issues and are trying to become a mom. So I'm sending my love and my heart out to you guys today. I hope the mommies enjoy their day and just have some me time that we all deserve. But I'm gonna bring you guys along today on my Mother's Day, and then from there we're just gonna vlog this out. All right, guys. Bye. All right, before I leave, I wanted to give you guys an outfit of the day. So I'm gonna start with this tank top. It's just a basic rib tank top from Target. And then I have my Zara leather pants. I have this flannel from ASOS. And then I have on my Jordan 1s. And then these shades came from Urban Outfitters. This necklace came from H&M. My little rings also came from H&M as well. So that's pretty much a fit check. So now I'm on my way out. Alright, y'all, so it's a new day. As you guys just seen, I just juiced. That was actually my first time juicing. I used just my normal blender, smoothie blender to juice this, and I just strained it. But I used cucumber, celery, ginger, somebody calling me, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So like I was saying, I used celery, cucumber, ginger, and gala apples, and then I squeezed some lemon juice in here afterwards. I didn't want to cut up the lemon and put it into the actual blender because I'm allergic to citrus. I shouldn't be drinking citrus at all. But I feel like when I do it that way, or at least at my mom's house, like when she juices that way, like I start to get like all the tingles in my mouth and stuff like that. So yeah, I just squeezed it into here, and it actually tastes really good. It's really light, refreshing. Nothing really stands out like too much in here, so maybe I'll have to alter like maybe add more gala apples next time to get more like an apple taste. But yeah, this is really good. I'm gonna do this until I'm consistent enough to get a juicer, but if not, I'm just gonna keep on doing it this blender way. Like, it was really easy, it wasn't hard at all, and it's not like really grainy or anything like that. Like, it really tastes juicy. That's the only way I can describe it. So yeah, we left off on my handles for my kitchen cabinet. So I want to show you guys how the matte black pulls look. I finished them finally, and I think they look beautiful. So let me show you guys that. All right, so here we are. As you guys can see, they look so good. I think they really make the cabinets pop. I'm just trying to walk around and show you better. And then I did the same thing on the gray side, which looks beautiful. Love it. So yeah, looks good. I'm gonna back up again. I really like it. Only a few gave me some problems, like the hose was, I don't know, like too small. Might finish those ones up for me. But yeah, I think they look great. Like I said, the next stuff for the kitchen is this. I'm still on a hunt for a new faucet. Haven't found one I'm sold on yet. And then right here, of course, we're going to do like the wood slacks right there, and then paint that gray to match the cabinets on the other side. So those are our next two projects. And then I'm still on the lookout for a rug. So if you guys can find a runner rug for me that you think will look great with my aesthetic. And like my aesthetic is transitional modern. I like clean lines. I don't like too much going on, like too many patterns, things like that. If you guys can find a runner rug that you think will look great in my kitchen, please hit me up on Instagram or comment under, you know, my YouTube with the link or something like that, just so, you know, I can look at it, check it out, and see if it actually works for my kitchen. So I'm definitely on a hunt for that, so let me know. But yeah, let's get into the rest of the video today. All right, y'all, so I got an exciting delivery. I want to show you guys. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys. But I teamed up with Caraway. I'm so excited. They sent me over some pots and pans. So I want to do like a little reveal for y'all and let you guys know a little bit about their company. So let's get right into it. All right, so this is such a large box. I'm so excited. All right, so I just finished unboxing the Caraway Cook Set. This is so cute, guys. And the color I got was sage green. I just wanted something different. Like a lot of my pots and pans that I already have is just a standard black pan. So I wanted a pop of color. So like I said, I went with the sage green. I think it's beautiful. I think all the colors that Caraway has are gorgeous. So you cannot go wrong literally when picking a Caraway cookware set. All right, so I want to go through the pots and pans one by one to give you guys a little bit more detail on what pan is which. So before I do that, I definitely want to let you guys know that Caraway's cookware is 100% non-toxic ceramic, which is really great. So let's start off with this pan first. This is the frying pan right here. And these pans, they are really heavy, which I love. It just makes me feel like they are really well made and really good quality. This right here is the saute pan. It's a little bit deeper than the frying pan and it's bigger than the frying pan. This right here is the Dutch oven. I'll probably just use this for like my spaghetti and different things that I make a lot of, like soup, things like that. So this is really cute. And then right here we have the saucepan, and I needed another saucepan so bad. I only have one right now. This cookware set also comes with these covers. I can put this cover on this saute pan when I'm cooking something. Y'all, it's just so beautiful. I love stuff like this. This is really aesthetically pleasing. I think they did a great job with how sleek it is. Y'all know I'm all for clean lines, and this is definitely giving that. So yeah, that's the covers for these pans, and it comes with 3. And then on top of that, which is really great, they have this lid holder right here. So you can just place this in your cabinet and then just insert your lids into there, just like this. So it don't take a lot of your storage away from you in your cabinets. We all know how, you know, it's a fight already to store stuff, especially pots and pans and lids in your cabinet. So this was very thought out, well thought out. Kudos to Caraway for coming up with this innovative idea. So yeah, it goes just like this in your cabinet. How cute is that? And then another cool thing that Caraway has done, and let me clear this out because this is definitely given like they gave me a lot of products, period. So Caraway also provided these organizers for the pots and pans, and they are magnetic, which is really cool. So I'm gonna take them apart and show you how they work. So pretty much I can just connect them like this, and I can put them underneath my cabinet and store it just like this. Just put all my pans that I may be needing and just put them like this underneath my cabinet. And the last thing they gave me is these pot holders. So whenever, you know, you're cooking and you want to sit your pot on the counter, just place this down and then you can just sit your pot on there without it burning your countertop. So that was very thoughtful. Thank you, Caraway, again for giving me these and all these products right here. I'm really excited to cook with these pots and pans for the first time. Like I said, I think they're giving very much so good quality. I think that you guys will also be happy with them. I know a couple of my girlfriends who have Caraway, a lot of people rave about them. So I'm excited to finally be testing out my own Cookware Set. I'll definitely have a discount code below for you guys for 10% off a cookware set of your own. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Before I get to cooking, I definitely wanted to thank Caraway for sponsoring this portion of the video. Thank you again for gifting me this gorgeous cookware set. I'm looking forward to making so many meals with it for my family. So let's get into cooking something. Alright, so before I wrap up this video, I wanted to give you guys an update on my basement couch. A lot of people have been asking me, how's my couch holding up? And the answer is, it's holding up very well. We still really like this couch. I feel like the fabric is good. We had a couple spills. I was able to get those right up out of the couch. The couch is still comfortable. It does not move or shift, even though it doesn't have like those hooks to latch the couches together. But yeah, let me flip the camera around to show you guys. It's still in good condition. The pillows are still nice and fluffy, and we are on this couch a lot. Like my husband and son specifically, they're always in the basement on this couch. Like my son is just ripping and running on this couch, and it's still holding up really well. So let me show you guys. So as you can see, like I mentioned, the couch is still doing really well. It's still in really good shape. Like I said, I don't even have to fluff these pillows out too often, honestly. Like they just kind of stay just like that. So I would still rate this couch a 10 out of 10. It doesn't move, even though it's not lashed together. Like it stays still. I really like this couch from Living Spaces. So if you are considering getting it, I definitely would say get it. You know, of course it's your choice, but I haven't had any problems so far with this couch.